future employer. My name is Rhea May Labitan Villaluna and I am 40 years old. I am married, but definitely I am separated with my husband and I have two kids, ages 10 years old and 7 years old. I studied my Bachelor of Secondary Education, but unfortunately I stopped within my second year because I am the breadwinner of the family. I have 6 siblings and my mom is a single mom. So during that time, I worked early as the age of 19 years old and I start working at Jordan. In Jordan, I came there as a domestic helper, but my category and my house task is different tasks. So let me mention to you it one by one. When I came to the family, my mama Rasmia and Baba Malu has 8 children and they are all adult. But I'm working inside the house, all the house tasks, the house chores, and also I'm helping inside the office in computers tasks like that. And during the weekend, Mama and Baba Malu has granddaughters, which ages 2 months, 8 months, and 3 years old. And these 3 kids, where I take care of them every weekend, every Friday and Saturday, until I finish my contract with them. So when I came back to the Philippines, I decided to work again in Qatar. In Qatar, I worked in Qatar for almost 2 years. And my categories is also a domestic helper. But when I came there, I work as caregiver. I'm taking care of the 80 years old woman with the diabetes problem. So a main task for them is to see the health status of my patients and also the house chores except cooking, because my primary responsibility of mine is to look after the health of my patients. And then after my 2 years in Qatar, I worked in UAE. And UAE, I worked as a back of the kitchen, as a waitress, and my main task there is a customer service, of course, and I'm also the one who's handling the POS, and I'm making the sales report at the end of the day. I worked there for almost 2 years and finished my contract, and after that, I apply again in the same country, also in UAE. I apply as a receptionist, and after 6 months, they promote me as assistant manager. In Jordanian Speech Clinic, it's just like a workplace for the kids with disabilities. So every day I saw many kinds of children, ages from 5 years old and above, every day, because they have teacher, what we call this a pathologist. So I love children. So after that, I finished my 2 years in UAE. I came back to Philippines to get married and I have got child. And many things happened. I make my own business. And after that, after the pandemic, I decided again to work in Kuwait. At Kuwait, I work also as a domestic helper. And I am working with my sister. My sister, her main task is to tidy up all the living rooms of all the houses. But we are taking care of 6 children. 6 children ages 16 years old, 14 years old, 12 years old, 10 years old, 8 years old, and 6 years old. So my main task there is to cook. So I need to prepare the cook from mornings, breakfast, afternoon, and the evening, and also to tidy up the kitchen. This is my main responsibility. But during the end of the nights, I am the one who in charge tutoring all the kids from the assignments or homework from the school. So I finished my 2 years in Kuwait, and then after that I come back to Philippines and got a vacation, I think for almost a month only, and I apply again in Hong Kong. I work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper also. I take care of one boy, ages 8 years old, and he has an autistic problem. But definitely sadly I did not finish my contract. It's just because they don't like me. It's because they need to terminate my contract because they had to go back in the mainland China where they are living. So this is all my experience, and I was hoping that my future employer will like me, and I was expecting from my employer that you can treat me as your family, because I believe if I work in the family which treat me as a family, it's a very heartwarming, and I can work even it's in a hard task. So I can promise you also that I can help you in any aspect of your needs in your homes, if it is in a business or if it's your child or in the household. I hope you can trust me in that. Thank you very much, and that's all.